realize that you can't let go. It's something about me and you.
Hello friends, this is Hedda. Today I want to share my art journal with you. This is a part of my daily life that I haven't really shared with you that much before, so let me tell you a little bit about it while you watch me draw something. I normally have a look on Pinterest before I start to get an idea of colors or poses or even page layouts I'd like to try. This time I decided I wanted to try to use only one color, so for this entire spread I'm only using one marker and two fine liners in different sizes. So what exactly is an art journal? It's kind of like a sketchbook in my opinion. Although compared to a sketchbook, an art journal can contain so much more than just drawings or sketches. It can include text, pictures, paintings, drawings, stickers, and all kinds of other decoration. Some people use their art journal kind of as a bullet journal, while other people keep them separate. I do the latter. My art journal is currently a sketchbook insert from the Traveler's Company. I used the sketchbook insert and not the watercolor insert because I tried the watercolor insert and the paper was like wax. It didn't soak up the water, the paint just sort of pooled on the surface and took forever to dry, and it was impossible to mix the colors or do anything really. It was quite disappointing. However, the sketchbook insert works well both with water-based markers and with watercolors, and that's why I use it. My art journal is a place where I can test out media and techniques I normally don't use. It's not that it has to look super nice, it's just a feeling of being able to look through it and see that yes, I did my best and I tried new things, and it's a collection of ideas, mistakes, and victories. I used a red Crayola Super Tip for the pop of color that I wanted. I couldn't tell you which one because they're not numbered, but actually there aren't that many shades of red in the Crayola collection, so maybe you'll be able to find the same one if you wanted to. It felt oddly satisfying to just color the rectangles completely in red. It's one of those things that aren't very difficult, so it feels almost a bit therapeutic to do. I decided to fill the big rectangle on the left side too because of it. There is no cohesive style in my art journal. It's just a collection of pages I felt like making at a certain point in time. There's anything from post-it notes to mermaid sketches to full pages of watercolor. Every page is something that has come into existence without thinking that it has to look nice so I can show it to someone. So I guess it doesn't really make sense that I'm filming this, but to be honest, I kind of forgot about the camera for a while, and there were some clips I couldn't include because it was just the back of my head filling the entire screen. For the page to the right, I found a poem online that I really liked. I couldn't find the author, which I'm quite sad about, but if any of you guys know, let me know in the comments, because I would really like to know who wrote it. At the moment, I'm going through some big changes in my life, and this poem really spoke to me. We all go through some difficult times, and I use art to cope with them. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As you may have noticed, I did not upload any Plan With Me video for November, but there will be one for December, so make sure you subscribe if you'd like to be notified when that comes out. I'd like to leave you with a poem I wrote down in the spread. I'm afraid love doesn't always work out that way. Just because you love summer doesn't mean it can stay. But who knows what October will bring. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. We will all be okay in the end.
It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows that I'm a little nervous.